Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to share with you some of my new favorite cookies, these caramelized sandwich cookies with vanilla cream. Let me tell you why I love them so much. For starters, let's talk about the taste. These cookies are absolutely delicious. They are super sweet, they come with the traditional Biscoff cookie flavor, but with the vanilla cream, it does add a unique taste. If you're a fan of cookie butter, then these cookies are for you. And you don't have to feel guilty at all when you're eating these cookies, thanks to their design. There are no added colors or preservatives. These are vegan friendly. They only use natural flavors, and there are non-GMO ingredients. I also love that these cookies are the perfect size, not too big, not too small, and they are super crispy and chunky. And they also have just the right amount of vanilla cream, not too much, not too little, so it's not overbearing, and the vanilla goes perfect with the cookie butter flavor. Not only does the taste make these cookies stand out, but their carvings and engravings do as well. I really love the design and how the lotus is carved so perfectly. I think that this design feature makes the cookie much more appealing. These cookies are just so sweet and delicious, and they go perfect with a cup of coffee. I love them so much, but that's just my point of view.